now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We're back somewhat. I just really wanted to show you guys the Citrin Yeezy. This release kind of just did a couple things for me. It got my brain just going, and I'm like, are they like is Adidas trying to like go the Jordan route? Because obviously Nike and Jordan still sell a lot of shoes. We may not think they're what they should be, since there's so many drops, so many of them go on sale, so many of them you can buy for $100, different stuff like that. So I don't know if Adidas is trying to do that, but I do know that with the Yeezy and with Pharrell's NMDs, now they're pretty much, you can buy them just straight up. Sometimes they'll stay on the site for hours, maybe even a full day. There's no real value after they drop. The only value seems to be in the like reflective pairs, the pairs that are really hard for normal people to get. So there's really no value in them. I still like them as just a daily shoe. If I was to get a pair, I don't know if I have a size 12 coming, but I would just rock them as like just a daily beat up pair, because they're still a nice shoe and they still stand out on your foot. I'll include them in like packages, so if like an NBA player buys a couple of shoes from me, I'll throw in like one of these type Yeezys and be like a workout shoe, a lift shoe, just house slipper, you know. I'll just include something like that because I think they're nice touches and I think they're really nice gifts. So a Yeezy can always be a good gift for someone, but just in terms of being a sneakerhead and wanting something exclusive and not everybody's gonna rock, I don't think Yeezy's there anymore. And yeah, it's sad. It's sad. And then you start drawing on pairs like that one, and yeah, I miss the good old days when these would release and they cost freaking $1,700. Tell me if you cop the Citrin, and tell me your thoughts on the new, you know, Yeezy and NMD not really selling very well. Well, not really selling out immediately.